kids! In this video, we will learn to measure cube and cuboid. Gaggu has brought such cube-shaped blocks to sell in his shop. All the sides of each cube-shaped block are of measure 1 centimeter.
I will pack and sell them in a cube-shaped box.
On thinking this, Gaggu bought cube-shaped boxes.
But how many cubes of dimension 1 centimeter will fit in each box?
Gaggu started thinking. Gaggu then measured the length of the edge of one of those cube-shaped boxes.
Okay, the length of this cube-shaped box is 10 centimeters and the sides of each cube-shaped block are 1 centimeter. That means the length of this box is equal to 10 cubes. Now I will measure the width of this box. The width is also 10 centimeters, which means that the width of this box is also equal to 10 cubes.
Now, Gaggu measured the height of the box.
The height of the box is also 10 centimeters. That means the height of the box is equal to 10 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Or let's find out first how many cubes of dimension 1 centimeter would be there in one layer of the box. 10 cubes will come in the length of the box and also 10 cubes in its width. It means one layer will have 10 times 10 or 100 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each, and there will be 10 such layers in the box. It means this cube-shaped box will contain 100 times 10 or 1000 cubes of 1 centimeter dimension. Because the thickness of the cardboard is negligible, the total space occupied by the cubes in the box will be equal to the total space occupied by the box. But the total space occupied by any object is its volume. The volume of the box will be equal to the cubes placed in it. This means that the volume of this cube-shaped box is equal to 1000 cubes.
Gaggu packed 1000 blocks in the cube-shaped boxes each and started selling them. Within a few days, Gaggu's blocks became famous in the market. Now Gaggu thought that he would sell these blocks in cuboid-shaped boxes. Children, if the length, width and height of cuboid-shaped box purchased by Gaggu are as shown, can you tell how many cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each will be there in the volume of each cuboid-shaped box? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. There are 12 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each in the length of the cuboid-shaped box. This means that the length of the cuboid-shaped box will be equal to 12 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. In the same way, the width of a cuboid-shaped box is 5 centimeters. which will be equal to 5 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each, and the height of the cuboid shaped box is 4 centimeters, which will be equal to 4 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. This means that this box will have 4 layers made up of cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. There will be 12 cubes in the length of the box and 5 cubes in the width. Therefore, one layer of cuboid shaped box will have 12 times 5, 60 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each, and because the box will have 4 such layers, the box will have a total of 60 times 4. 240 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. In other words, the volume of this cuboid shaped box will be equal to 240 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Gaggu filled the blocks in his cuboid shaped new box, and his blocks became even more popular. Children, in this video, we learned to measure cube and cuboid. In the next video, we will learn more about it through some interesting examples. Hello kids! In the previous video, we learned to measure cube and cuboid. In this video, we will learn more about it through some interesting examples. Babban wants to buy compass boxes to sell in his shop. The compass boxes are cuboid shaped. I have just brought this one cube and one cuboid shaped box with me. How many compass boxes will I be able to carry in these 2 boxes? Babban began to think. He had a few cube-shaped blocks of 1 centimeter each that he had bought from Gaggu's shop. Oh wow! I can first use these cubes to find the volume of a compass box. He measures the length, width, and height of the compass box. The compass box is 8 centimeters long. This means the length of this compass box is equal to 8 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each, and its width is 4 centimeters or equal to 4 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. One layer of a compass box will have number of cubes in its length times the cubes in its width. That is 8 multiplied by 4. 32 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Now, in the end, the height of the compass box is 3 centimeters. This means that there are 3 such layers of cubes of dimension for 1 centimeter each. That means each box would have a total of 32 times 3, 96 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. In other words, the volume of a compass box is equal to 96 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Well, the volume of a compass box is equal to 96 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Now, the length of this cuboid shaped box is 32 centimeters or 32 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Its width is 30 centimeters or 30 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. This means that in one layer of this box, there are its length, times width, or 32 times 30. 960 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. The height of this box is 10 centimeter. It means there will be 10 such layers of cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. The box will have a total of 960 times 10. 9,600 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. In other words, the volume of this cuboid shaped box is equal to 9,600 centimeter cubes. The volume of a compass box is equal to 96 centimeter cubes. And the volume of this cuboid shaped box is equal to 9,600 centimeter cubes. Therefore, in this box, 9,600 divided by 96. That is, 100 compass boxes will be there. Children, if the edges of Babban's cube-shaped box are 12 centimeters each, then can you tell how many compass boxes will Babban be able to keep in this box? If you want, you can find the solution by stopping the video. This box is cube-shaped, so its first layer will contain 12 times 12. 144 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. The height of this box is also 12 centimeters. Or, this box will have 12 such layers of cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. Therefore, this box will contain 144 times 12, 1,728 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each. In other words, the volume of this cube-shaped box is equal to 1,728 centimeter cubes. The volume of a compass box is equal to 96 centimeter cubes. So, 1,728 divided by 96. 18 compass boxes can be placed in this cube-shaped box. I can take a total of 118 compass boxes to sell in my shop by filling both these boxes. Babban filled 118 compass boxes in those boxes and began walking towards the village. Children, in this video, we learned about measuring cube and cuboid through some interesting examples. In the next video, we will look at some of the misconceptions related to this. Hello kids! In the previous video, we learned more about measuring cube and cuboid. In this video, we will see some of the misconceptions related to this. Golu bought a lot of 1 centimeter cube blocks from Gaggu's shop. Golu and his friends played with those blocks and had a lot of fun. All friends returned to their respective homes. Only Sher Khan stayed to help Golu. Now, Golu is thinking that he will fill those blocks in the boxes so that he and his friends can play with them again sometime.
Golu, let me help you fill these blocks in boxes. You bring the boxes quickly.
Sher Khan told Golu.
I have this cube-shaped box and this cuboid-shaped box. Since cuboid is larger than cube, so the volume of cuboid will be larger than the volume of the cube. Let us first fill the blocks in this cuboid shaped box. Then we will put the remaining blocks in the cube shaped box. It is not necessary that the volume of the cube shape is always less than the volume of the cuboid. See, the length of this cuboid shaped box is 8 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. This means that the first layer of this cuboid shaped box will have length into width 8 times 4, 32 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each, and its height is 2 centimeters. That means there would be 2 such layers. We will be able to place a total of 32 times 2, 64 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each in the cuboid shaped box. In other words, the volume of the cuboid shaped box is equal to 64 centimeter cubes. I will find the volume of this cube shaped box. Sher Khan, the sides of the cube shaped box are 4 centimeters each. This means the first layer will have 4 times 4, 16 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each, and its height is 4 centimeters. It means there will be 4 layers. We will be able to place 16 times 4, 64 cubes of dimension 1 centimeter each in the cube shaped box. In other words, the volume of this cube shaped box is equal to 64 centimeter cubes. Hey, the volume of these two boxes is exactly the same. Sher Khan, you are absolutely right. It is not necessary that the volume of cube is always less than the volume of cuboid.
Come on now, Golu. Let us quickly fill 64 cubes in each of these 2 boxes and then we will go out to play.
Golu and Sher Khan together filled those blocks in both boxes and the 2 friends went out to play. Children, in this video, we saw some misconceptions related to measuring cube and cuboid. Hello children.